Hello guys, have you been battling with setting up your desktop time and dates? Guess what, you're in the right place. We are going to go through very quickly, just in two minutes, we'll be done. So, when you want to set the time for your desktop, first of all we need to understand why the time for your desktop is disturbing. One quick one is the battery, which is responsible for the time in your computer, which is in your CPU, might be dead, or it is possible that the battery, it's just the time is just wrong. So let's handle it really quickly. You're going to come to this lower icon of the time, and then we are going to right click, and then you will go to adjust date and time, and then if that comes, everything is right here. You're going to go down where it says date, time and regional format, then you'll click it, then you come down here to add additional time and regional settings. Then after, you'll come to set date and time, and then if the computer is a work computer, or you are in a kind of a system where all the computers are connected, that may require administration password. But if it's not connected, you'll just come and change time and date, and then you write after here, as you see my time is correct. After setting here really quick, then you press OK. Then you come and press OK. Then your time down here will be all set. But one thing you need to know is if the battery inside the CPU is dead, it will work, but the next time you restart the computer, it will still be a wrong time and date. So the best is to first find the fundamental. If your time keeps getting out of date, that means the battery in the CPU is dead. So thanks for watching.